What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to run out your downspout and your sump pump line to prevent your yard from flooding. Now, as you can see, they're going to be redoing all this, adding concrete everywhere, so you have to make sure the water has somewhere to go. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, as you can see, they have all the pavers and everything ripped out. They're going to be redoing all this, but you have to have this go somewhere. Now, whoever did this previously decided to think that that was a good idea. Probably had the black corrugated pipe, squished it, did everything around it to make it actually work. And you know, I guess that's not bad, but it didn't have a clean out at all. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this here, have it go down, tie into the back of where the downspout is, take the downspout across, have everything come all the way out to the side here, have a catch basin right here at the end, and then bust out one of these little blocks and make it so there's an overflow line, so that way you'll be able to catch shingle gravel and everything. And if anything ever needed to clean out from back there, this is where it would flush to. So let's get started. All right, now we have everything dug out. Broke through the little curb thing. Had to go through tons of roots. Even a giant tree stump in the ground there. So I had to redesign and go around to make it 90 around it. But now it's time to pipe it up and make sure we got the level. And always remember, when you're dealing with any kind of sump pumps or pressurized lines, always make sure you use primer and glue. You have to. If you don't, it'll bust apart and then you'll be screwed. So please, take the extra time, primer and glue, do it correctly. All right, just about done. Got it all piped up. Down here at the end, same as always, you want to make sure you put some rock down. You got your filter cloth, and then you put your catch basin in there, and then you hook it up just like that. That way, when the water is done filtrating through and it can't drain through the overflow anymore, it makes sure that what's left in there, shingle, gravel, and everything else, will stay there, but all the water will still be able to drain out and you don't have a mosquito breeding haven. So, time to finish this up and show you the level. All right, now we have it all completely piped up and finished. As you can see, we got it downhill from level at the start. Hits the corner here. Have to go under the irrigation beside the tree that was left behind, and we are completely downhill all the way. So as soon as the water hits this corner, it's going to start jetting all the way down here to this corner. We have the other level. As you can see, we are still downhill to level. Go down even further, even more downhill to level. So as soon as the water even touches this system, it's going to be flowing straight out to the side street. And then just have to put some concrete here, reform all that. But as you can see, we are still completely downhill level. And for all those that always want to joke me about how I hold the level, there you go. Does that make you happier? Still the same reading all the way downhill to level. This is once again how it is done. Now to backfill and show you how it works. All right, now we are going to test the system. We have the water going inside the clean out. It's gonna go all the way down here towards the end and pop out at the curb where it's supposed to. Just take a couple seconds to get over here. And then as it comes up through here, it's going to come up, build up, and then go out through here. Here's the water already there. It's coming down. And it's always good to do this, test the system, clean it all out from any little pieces of dirt and stuff that might have got in it when you're putting it all together. Well, let's see, here comes the water. Comes, starts flowing, it builds up. You have to drill holes in the bottom of those catch basins, that way the water will not stay in there. And this is what it's going to do. It's going to build up, keep coming, and it also has the sump pump tied into this. So then after it builds up, it's going to build up and come towards the overflow, which as you can see, just like that, builds up, facilitates out, and it's able to drain out here on the side street to the woods. And that is exactly how it works. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.